Hello, welcome to Discount Diamonds. How may I help you? Okay, so you're just interested in something for a friend today. Anything at all? Okay, well, as you may know already, we sell second-hand jewelry, but it's all in very good condition, and for a very good deal too. So this tray right here that I have in front of me, in fact, is our budget deal of the day. If you're interested, I can take you through the different kind of things that we have on sale. Okay, that's something you're interested in. Okay, perfect. I'll start with this piece right here. Now, this piece is, as you can see, a white bracelet. It's very, very pretty, I think. It's more of a formal piece. It's got real diamonds laced all the way through it, but for a very good deal, I think. Is it something you might be interested in? Maybe? Okay, well, I'll put it aside. But this is really the kind of piece that does go with everything, as long as it's formal. In fact, if you're wearing a nice summer cardigan, you'd probably get away with wearing this as well. It doesn't have to be formal, but it's probably not something that she would wear every day. Okay, the next piece I'll show you is, although secondhand, still quite new. As you can see, the person still left the tag on. Now, I really like this piece. It's got a kind of aquatic feel to it. It's blue, and it's got a marble look all the way through. It's a bangle, of course, so it goes with a lot of outfits, and it's a bit cheaper than the more formal bracelet that I showed you before as well, so that might be something I'd want to consider. Staying with bracelets and cheapness, this is the cheapest one of the bunch. It's more depending on the age of the person you're buying for. More of a young person's bracelet, I think. It's got charms on it, but you can add charms if you want. Right now it's got a club, a spade, a diamond, and a heart, which is of course the cards. Okay, so you might be interested in that one. This, on the topic of bracelets, also happens to be one of my favorites, and as you can see, we don't know who owned this one, but whoever did kept it in very, very good condition, in my opinion. There's a real silver heart hanging from it, and real pearls that have been colored naturally. So, you might be interested in that one too. Okay, good. Quite a few options here today. This is again another bangle, just like this one. Not quite as new, but very, very pretty. It's sort of more of an oriental look, I think. It's black and white, and you can see the flowers going across. It's a bit more formal again, but I think unlike this white bracelet here, you can wear it with many casual outfits. Typically a nice winter dress, maybe. I guess now we can move on to necklaces. So the two main necklaces I have here today, this one and this one, are more for rounded collars. So I wouldn't wear this with a V-neck, for instance, so you probably have to consider the kind of fashion that the friend you're buying it for is interested in before you buy this necklace. But overall, it is a very nice piece. It kind of looks like a feather or a leaf. And it's got a kind of chainy feel to it, I think. So I'll put that there in case you're interested. Now, this one here also has kind of chain feel to it. As you can see, it almost looks like one too, but it's a bit more free flowing than that, or it sort of has a natural feel, like leaves hanging off a branch or something. I think it's very pretty personally. You can adjust the height with the various loops, and again, this is more something for a curved collar than a v-neck, so you might want to take that into consideration. Now, the last necklace on the discount tray is also my personal favorite necklace that we're looking at today. This is the kind of necklace that you can wear every day, which I like. I think it has good sentimental value in that respect. It's very small, but it's a little pink butterfly. It's also one of the more expensive pieces on the tray because it's got real diamonds in it and it's real white gold. But in my opinion, it's worth it and it's a very good deal. We can talk about prices later, but for now, I'll just continue going over the jewelry. So like I said, very pretty, cute, pink butterfly diamonds. Probably more for a younger friend. Is your friend an adult or? Yes? Okay. So I still think it's a cute piece. You might want to take that into consideration. Now this is a bulk deal, so it's the kind of thing people typically buy as a set. It's got 4 layers on it, but if you buy more, you can add layers onto it. If you want, you can buy the diamonds in here individually. Diamond earrings, that is. But people typically do buy it as a set. It's up to you. You might be interested in the set. Okay. Well, I think that's a good choice. I'll just take you through each layer. So the first has 2 diamond earrings. They're kind of like the main part of the deal that people are typically interested in. The second part has chained earrings. This, like I've said before today, is more of a formal piece. Now, here we have some butterfly earrings. They're quite cute. They're kind of a summery feel as well. And they might go with, if you're interested, the butterfly necklace. And on the 4th level, we have some simple pearl earrings. Okay, so do you know what kind of thing you're interested in yet, or you might be interested in? You seem to take an interest in a few other things. Okay, so you might be interested in this bracelet. Oh no. this one, the first one. Okay? Yeah. Like I said, this is one of my personal favorite bracelets, so would you like me to wrap it up for you? Okay, perfect. I'll just use this bag. Is there anything else you might be interested in? You might come back another day. Okay, excellent. Well, thank you very much for doing business, and please do come back.